everyone. I just finished grading your peer reviews. Congratulations on finishing your first peer reviews for our class. I just had a little bit of feedback that I wanted to give to everyone. If you check in your grades, there's individual feedback for each one of you. But right now I'm going to provide some feedback for the entire class. So I just had three things that I wanted to cover. The first is I'd like you to remember to please write your feedback in paragraph form. I know it's really helpful to mark up and track your changes on someone's document. It's very helpful to them. So if you're doing that already, I would encourage you to continue to do that. But for my benefit, you need to write in paragraph form a review for the person whose paper you're reviewing. A couple of reasons why I'd like you to do that. First of all, it helps you to become a better writer, to become more critical or analytical, and to consider the reasons why you're suggesting the changes that you're suggesting. The second reason is that I wasn't always able to bring up the paper with your markups on my computer. So for kind of ease of use for me and to kind of help you out in your writing, I'd like you to just to make sure you have a paragraph for each paper you review. The second thing is I want you to make sure that you are reading the instructions for your assignment. I'll show you right here. So this is the outline that you have, or the table of contents that we all have. I'm going to go to lesson 2 and click on lesson 2. I'm going to go to the middle of the week because that was our peer review assignment, was the middle of the week. Right here, l02 professional writing skills, step 2. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and scroll down here to peer review due date number 2. I'm going to click on that, and then these are the instructions. So, there are a few things I want you to note in the instructions. You write a brief review, 250 words is appropriate, but longer is okay. This is kind of, again, where the paragraph format is comes into play. And you post it as a response on the discussion board. So there were three things you were supposed to cover on there. First of all, so number 1, does the report contain proper grammar and punctuation? Has the writer followed the rules for capitalization, abbreviation, commas, hyphens, apostrophe, etc., etc., etc.? So almost all of you did that one. The second one was, does the writer follow the 10 principles for clarity and precision in writing? And which ones could be improved upon? Now those, I'll show you right here, were right here, improved clarity and precision in writing. There were 10 things to work on. Active voice, good strong working verbs, be concise, things like that. Several of you left this out. So just make sure that you read, that you're reading all of the instructions. The third one was, does the report have good presentation and readability? Is it visually appealing? And most of you covered that one as well. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you read the review. Because this was your first peer review, I was pretty gentle on the grading, but in the future I'm going to expect you to have read the entire instruction page, so you'll, if you're missing things, you're going to get docked a little bit for things that you've omitted on that review. The last thing is make sure you comment on a draft that has not been commented on by anyone else. We had kind of a couple of superhero reviewers this week who kind of covered that for everyone else, but each person who submits a paper on time should receive a review. So you need to review one that hasn't been reviewed by someone else, and all you need to do is you go in and you just say, I am reviewing this paper, and you can just hold it, and then so then you don't review it and then go to post it and find somebody else post it. So if somebody else has said, I'm going to review this one, just be respectful of that and find another one that hasn't been reviewed. So if they've all been reviewed, then you're welcome to post a second review. So anyway, you all did such a good job for the most part, and it was fun to read your reviews, and I think this is something that is really going to help all of us to learn from each other and to be able to all become better writers. So I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you at office hours on Tuesday nights, 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We'll talk to you later. Bye.